What's up, guys? My name is P, and I'd like to welcome you to another edition of Phipps Tips. In today's episode, we're going to take a look at the overall market. We're going to check out our top performers. We'll have a look at the biggest winners and the biggest losers. Got a couple of news articles I found interesting today. Bank of America saying that cryptocurrency is not the greatest of ideas. We'll see about that. And mining. Cryptocurrency mining. Will it propel Bitcoin to $35,000? Some people think so. And then we're going to wrap it all up with a little bit of technical analysis on the juggernaut that is Bitcoin. All that and more coming up, guys. Stay tuned. And we're currently on coinmarketcap.com, and the market cap is at $428.6 billion with a 24-hour trading volume of $22 billion. And Bitcoin dominance checking in at 36.3%. Of our top five, it's kind of a red day today, guys. Bitcoin down 1.88%, Ethereum down 1.3%, Ripple down 2.8%, Bitcoin Cash down 3.8%, and EOS up just 0.65%. What we got going on versus Bitcoin today? We have Dentacoin up 43.65%, Polymath doing great things, 19% up against Bitcoin. Zilliqa up 15%. Huobi token up 12.8%. And 0x showing signs of life up 10.06% against Bitcoin. Our biggest winners and our biggest losers of the day. Arbitracoin up 120.1%, Nexty up 96.86%, Anime Coin up 66%, Ucash up 58.3%, and Primus up nearly 56%. Our biggest losers for the day, Pipplecoin down 77.77%, Adidas down nearly 35%, eBoost down 33.19%, Decentralized Machine Learning down 32.98%, and Beluga Pay down 29.1% today, guys. So overall, the red doesn't seem too terrible. Not too terrible. But we're going to move on to our news segment, guys. See what Bank of America has to say about calling Bitcoin troubling. We'll see. Stay tuned. And here we are, guys. Bank of America CTO calls Bitcoin troubling. Reconfirms credit card purchase ban. Bank of America doubled down on its decision to stop customers buying Bitcoin with its credit cards May 10th. The bank's official called cryptocurrency troubling, according to CNBC. Speaking to CNBC in an edition of the news of the network's Squawk Box segment, BOA CTO Kathy Bassant said that cryptocurrencies are designed to not be transparent, and thus hinders banks' attempts to catch bad guys. As a payment system, I think it's troubling because the foundation of the banking system is on the transparency between the sender and the receiver. And cryptocurrency is designed to be nothing of the sort. In fact, it's designed to be not transparent, she told the program. BOA caused friction with its cardholders when it instigated the Bitcoin purchasing ban in February. The move saw JP Morgan and Citigroup follow suit, the former, nonetheless, subsequently finding itself at the center of a consumer lawsuit in April over fraudulent purchase fees. For Bassant, however, cryptocurrencies still represent the opposite of financial transparency. The way we sort of quote-unquote catch bad guys is by being transparent in the financial movement of money. Cryptos is the antithesis of that, she added. Just like we don't allow stocks to be purchased on our credit cards, we're not going to allow cryptos or other currencies to be purchased on our credit cards either. Weeks after the initial ban, BOA produced a report conversely identifying future risks to its business, in which it highlighted its inability to adapt to the competition cryptocurrency poses. Now, let's talk about this here, guys. This woman this Kathy Besant, apparently has done absolutely no research whatsoever about cryptocurrency or on cryptocurrency, period. This statement right here, designed to be not transparent, must have just been pulled straight out of her ass. Sorry for cursing, guys, but ignorance spewed like this is infuriating to me. When you want to do nothing but badmouth something that you don't understand, so you just start slinging garbage like this, is ridiculous. Not only does it make you look like an idiot, but what you're trying to slander ends up, making you look even more foolish. And crypto was designed to be completely and totally transparent. That's what the smart contracts were designed to do. Like, where she comes up with this kind of information, I have no idea. There are certain cryptos that are designed to not be transparent. Those are your privacy coins, such as Monero or Verge or Dash. And those coins are specifically designed to, keep the anonymity of the user safe. So, people like this woman, I don't know. There's just things that, for the sake of, just being a decent human being, I'll refrain from giving my full, opinion about it. But, yeah, do not take people who are in a position in the banking industry, do not take their word on anything, especially when it comes to cryptocurrency, because guys, they are afraid of this. The institutions like the banks of the United States or banks of the world do not want you to own crypto. They do not want you to be able to just buy and sell anything whenever, wherever, without having to go through a centralized bank. They make their money off of your transactions. And as cryptocurrency gains ground and becomes more and more popular, and the use cases become more and more viable, we'll see banks become less and less needed as financial institutions. There just won't need to be a bank anymore. Once crypto has taken complete and total control and is in the driver's seat. So, just things like this, guys, just be skeptical of. Like Bank of America, they're not out to help you. They're worrying about their bottom line, period. That's all it's about, guys. That is all it's about. This got me a little agitated. We're going to move on to our next news article. Bitcoin mining. And will it propel Bitcoin to new highs? Let's find out. Don't move a muscle. Mining will propel Bitcoin price to 36K in 2019, says latest Fundstrat research. New research from Fundstrat Global Advisors places Bitcoin prices at $36,000 by the end of 2019, co-founder Tom Lee revealed Thursday, May 10th. That is today, guys. Analysis of the relationship between Bitcoin mining costs and price by Fundstrat's quantamental strategist Sam Doctor has led the market research firm to predict the cryptocurrency's range will fall between $20,000 and $64,000 USD by 2019 year's end. The calculation focused on Bitcoin price to mining break-even cost metric known as P/BE, which Doctor says has proven a reliable long-term support level. We expect the mining economy to grow over the next several years and project a BTC price of $36,000 by the end of 2019, based on historical averages, 1.8x PBE multiple. An executive summary of the finding uploaded to Twitter by co-founder Tom Lee reads, and that's this here, guys. I'm not going to go through all that, but I will read his tweet. Crypto. Our quant/data scientist, Fundstrat Quant, publishing Bitcoin mining white paper. Crypto mining economics lead / explain BTC price suggests $39,000 per Bitcoin by year end 2019. Key takeaways below. The price target is broadly in line with Lee's own recent prediction of $25,000 by the end of 2018. Remaining bullish on Bitcoin has characterized both Lee and Fundstrat in recent months, a previous survey in April revealing that 82% of institutional investors believe price has already bottomed out. The survey also contained a prediction question, with the highest number of respondents opting for a range between 10,000 and 20,000 by the end of this year. So what do you think, guys? I honestly find this to be a little conservative. $20,000 seems a little low to me. I'm right up there with everybody else thinking that by the end of this year, 2018, we could expect like a $35,000 Bitcoin. That's my opinion, just from seeing what's been going on recently. But the price does fluctuate quite a bit, guys. So, there is that to keep in mind. As for, like guys like John McAfee, who claim that by year 2021, Bitcoin will be $1 million. And if it's not, he's going to eat his own penis. I mean, that's what he says. I don't know. The guy, he believes in his own research. I'll give him that much. Do I think that it'll be $1 million Bitcoin? Maybe one day, but in 2-3 years' time, that is quite the stretch. I mean, our market cap would have to just be an insane amount of money for Bitcoin to be at a $1 million cap. Or not a cap, a $1 million price. So, But, mining, guys, for everybody who's new to crypto, mining is what keeps the network stable. That's what keeps Bitcoin having a price, I guess. You'll hear a lot of arguments saying that it doesn't have any intrinsic value. Bitcoin doesn't. But that is totally untrue, because the intrinsic value comes from the mining and how much power it requires, time. There's a lot of things that go into mining a single Bitcoin. And it's even been broken down that mining a single Bitcoin costs $8,000 currently. So, by the end of 2019, one Bitcoin being mined worth $36,000. I mean, that's good. I like that idea. Tell me what you think, guys. Do you think that Bitcoin is going to hold its price? Going to continue to go up, or is the FUDsters of the world right, and Bitcoin going to crash to the bottom and drag everybody down with it? Let me know what you think in the comment section below, guys. We're going to move on to our technical analysis portion of the video now. And here we are, guys, on the Bitcoin versus US dollar day scale using the Bitfinex exchange information. And if you recall from yesterday's video where we had put Bitcoin back into its channel, we can see that it's just chugging right along again. We have printed a red candle. Let me turn off auto here. We'll get in a better picture. There we go. we have printed a red candle. The doji from yesterday turned out to just be a green candle with the wick that pushed down below our trend line. But, you know, it was bought back up. Today, so far, we are currently below the trend line, but we still have roughly 5 hours to go before the candle closes. So hopefully it gets pushed back up and we can, you know, trend back into the green by this weekend. Again, guys, this is pretty much what we want to see, is just a bounce up. Let me grab our drawing tool again. From here, we want to go here, down, and up, just like that. We want to get into like the 10, 12K range by the weekend. That's where we're wanting to hope. That's where I'm hoping we are by then. We never know when it comes to crypto and, you know, the whales, what they have planned, or, you know, this market it's influenced, guys. Let's just put it that way. It's influenced. But that's all I got for us today, guys. It looks like we're just continuing on our channel. We're going to call it a little early today. If you're still with me after all this time, hit that subscribe button, as I try to post a video every single day, Monday through Friday. And if you learned anything new today, hit that like button and share it with a friend. And as always, guys, this is not to be taken as financial advice. Never, ever is it to be taken as financial advice. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.